Welcome to the world of Rookie, the smart educational robot. Today we embark on the journey of learning, discovery and innovation with Rookie. Please join us in this exciting journey.
Meet Rookie, the robot omnidirectional kit for education. Rookie is a robotic kit for beginners at all age, focusing on knowledge enrichment to spark interest in robotics and others engineering fields. Get ready to have fun while exploring, learning, and inventing with Rookie. So, what's in the box? Rookie comes with important parts for developing a robot, which are Arduino Mega 2560, Rookie Shield, OLED display, Bluetooth module, Omni wheels, and sensors. But that's not all. Rookie also includes STEM syllabus, offering a rich knowledge and practical hands-on to learn engineering and robotics. The 5 STEM syllabus are robotics, mechanical design, electronics, M-block programming, and Arduino programming. User will embark on a fascinating journey to understand how robots work and how they are designed to sense, move, and make decisions. You will be able to create and edit objects or Rookie parts using 3D design software, prepare and export objects for 3D printing using Slicer software, and lastly print the objects using a 3D printer. Discover the fundamental principles of electronics. You will not only learn of basic electronics but also equip yourself with the skills to electronics components in your project. M-block is a powerful graphical programming environment. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced enthusiast, you can create interactive projects and bring your creative ideas to life. Arduino is an open-source electronic prototyping platform. Learn the fundamentals of Arduino programming and explore the seamless connection of Rookie components. Enrich yourself with engineering and programming knowledge and discover all the amazing things you can do with robotics. Dive into the world of Rookie, a perfect kit to learn and develop a robot using a STEM syllabus. Suitable for all ages, Rookie invites you to join the exciting adventure of robotics education.
Rookie, play!